Me, Cera Barani, ID metric is 2021-115831, and I would like to present Project 3 about designing residential neighborhood concept plan. I would like to present 8 content. The first one is introduction, aim and objective, land suitability plan, calculation of land use distribution, the concept, the design process, the matrix table, and the conclusion. In this project, I would like to present the conceptual plan and establish preliminary framework portraying the distribution and arrangement the land use element in residential neighborhood, such as road network and circulation, type of housing, neighborhood shop, infrastructure and utilities, public facilities, open space, and focal point. The proposed site is located at Bandar University Seri Iskandar Perak. Data from primary and secondary research have contributed. In this project, our state goal is designing residential neighborhood concept plan. It must take into consideration the development constraints and opportunities identified during the site analysis stage. I state for an objective, the first one is calculation of the land use distribution. Second, create the concept and name of alternative 1 and alternative 2. The third is arrangement of the land use element in residential neighborhood. And the last one is analyze the matrix table. This is land suitability. This area is a 50 hectare and the area is suitable to be used as housing development area. This is neighborhood hierarchy. As we can see, the area covered 50 hectare can place 2 neighborhood units with 6 neighborhood subs based on the hierarchy of neighborhood. As we can see, this is the type of land use that we can develop for housing, commercial, public facility, infrastructure and utilities, open space, and road. Overall, there are 50 hectares. There are 5 types of housing. Every housing has their own acres that we can develop at the site. As we can see, the commercial, the total area for commercial is 0.23 hectares for 843 unit housing. There are 3 types of public facility. The first one is Surau, Balai Raya, and Tadika. Every public facility have 2 units for every neighborhood. About the infrastructure and utilities, there are 3. The first one is electric substation, water tank, sewage treatment plant, and the total area for infrastructure and utility is 1.67 hectares. About the electrical substation, the total area for electric substation is 0.19 hectares that we can develop for 8 for housing and 1 unit for shop house. The total area for water tank for type of housing and public facility is 0.29 hectares. The total area for sewage treatment plant is 1.19 hectares that we can develop for housing, commercial, public facilities, and kindergarten. 2 unit neighborhood have their 6 unit playground and 2 unit field. The total area for open space is 5 hectares. My neighborhood concept is inspired by Clarence Stein. This is because Stein concept is designed to minimize traffic problems and promote road safety, reduce crowded living and working conditions, provide more sunshine and air for residents, control the size of neighborhood development, and combine productivity with beauty. At study area, the application of this concept is to increase the quality of life in order to have a healthy and positive environment. I state 2 alternatives. The first one is safe neighborhood and the second one is health neighborhood. I designed my alternative 1 is safe neighborhood. It's because I designed to promote citizen health and well-being and increase overall neighborhood safety and social interaction. As we can see, I designed the safe neighborhood For housing and commercial, public facility, open space, infrastructure and utilities, road, and all residential that we can see at my slide. This is my alternative to is health neighborhood. I just designed this alternative is because to encourage the resident to use walkable and area that provide in the residential area. As we can see, this is health neighborhood that I designed for housing and commercial, public facility, open space, infrastructure and utilities, road, and all residentials. This is my metric table that I analyzed from alternative 1 and alternative 2. The alternative 1 is 24 overall, and the alternative 2 is 26. In conclusion, alternative 2, health neighborhood, was selected for this study area because it is ranked highest in the metric table and was satisfied with the most of the ranges. Alternative 2 contained the sufficient numbers of strategy listed in the metric table and achieve of the objective of the chosen concept is Kleinstein's concept of minimize traffic and promote safety, reduce crowded living and working condition, provide more sunshine and air for residents, control the size of neighborhood development, and combine productivity with beauty.